this. Pretty sure it's just the pad there bouncing, but who knows? Damn, that ass. He's looking nice. Just got to the farm. There's already activities happening. Fast. Every day. You know, work on Devin's car a little bit. I'm gonna work on my car a little bit. Get it proud. For DM. You already bought tickets? Both of you? Yeah, I haven't. Devin, you didn't buy hers yet.
We don't have confidence in the car yet.
Yeah, that's what I told Devin. You guys will race and then we'll buy tickets.
Drive in here.
So Vasily heard his own. So did we figure out the noise? What is it? Can you replicate it?
I don't know how you did that.
You move the pad up and down. So that's all.
And it's kind of stuck now.
So that's what's clunking up and down. It's because I don't have this. I didn't put another shim in there. Usually it's fine, but I guess not in this case. Because this, I guess this side probably makes noise too. So we gotta put another shim in there. Be alright. Pretty clean. I mean, just some spots like right here. Well, looking rust. But I didn't want to cut the arches. Most people do because it's a lot of work. And we already wrapped over fenders. So I'm just hammering the fuck out of them to make them fit that line. Otherwise, her wheels were sunk in. Hell. This side's pretty much done. Might have to head a couple more times, but it's pretty much perfect. Otherwise, it was like the fiberglass slip was sticking out 1/2 inch, and then the regular one was like another 1/4 inch. So it was like an inch of dead space. Now we can put the wheel and fix the camber so it's not hitting that. It'll be good. We finally got these things in, and it's on to getting the fake ass alignment that I'm doing. So I'm adjusting this slowly. It's fucking taking forever, but we're getting it. Yeah, I think toe is pretty good, but camber needs to be fixed still a lot. What's done with alignment on this side? I think it's toe and camber's fixed pretty good. I'm pretty much watching on the front wheel, trying to make it just similar to the rear. But look at this one, yeah, that's hella cambered. And then once you're doing camber, it fucks with the toe, so you just gotta go back. And then we'll do an actual alignment. I'll bring it to Firestone to get alignment, but this is just for now and to get home. Fucking hot as shit, rained twice, now it's gonna be hot. It's fucking weather, but look at this. I mean, we might have to lower her car a little bit, but that's nice. This is good. Why you stop?
Check it for a minute. I'm trying to cut the center out so then I can hammer this piece up to weld it. I'm gonna cut one lip here.
Okay. I've never done this. So. This is interesting.
Yeah.
Just fucking hammer it.
I gotta cut this lip off first.
You gotta hammer it.
Got too much pressure. Hold on.
Hammer time. I think you might need to cut it. You know, I mean, you're stretching it. It's working. Yeah.
Oh,
See, it's moving.
oh, Megan! Take that anchor out.
Dude.
When Eric asked why my finger was there earlier.
What are you doing, Oli? Standing around? What are you doing?
Forces me to do this.
It's like
He's tired. That's literally what I just did on Devin's car today. Just a little bit different. This is a different way you could do this. Usually that's what people do, and you get a lot more clearance than just beating them in. This is gonna gain like 3 inches at least. That's what Eric cut out there. Fucking bang this up.
Does the extra wire tail cost?
Yeah, that's fine. This thing is turning out nice too, but look at that. That's, I don't know who did that before, but I mean it works, but definitely not sealed. Definitely not sealed. I like this floating gas cap. It's nice. I'm just comparing these to what Eric is doing.
Oh shit! I didn't realize you did that.
He did this too. He already like blinded it.
Like, yeah.
That's pretty nice. That's nice. Looks good. Very nice.